So to create a beach wave, we're going to use a tapered wand, and I'm going to start by sectioning out right on the side of her head. I'm going to clip this up and out of the way. So I'm taking a section from right behind her ear. Just spray each section as you go. You're going to hold the rod down. You're going to wrap like this and let the hair twist. You're going to let it cool like that. So now you're going to move around the rest of the head, and you're going to keep the iron pointing down. So again, wrap around the back. So now you're going to take the top down and make a center part. And we're waving just like you did the sides, right about your cheekbone. Once you're finished waving your whole head, you're just going to give it a nice spray with a texture spray.